Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Kids' Birthday Plans Shattered as Mom's Shoplifting Spree Ends in Arrest. So let's get into the video.
This is all crazy. You don't understand. Dad can be a jerk. I gotta get back to my kids. I really wasn't trying to steal it, I promise.
On July 30th, 2023, officers responded to a store after a report of a woman leaving with unpaid items. When confronted, she claimed she thought her friend was about to leave her behind.
Hi. Police department, stop the car. Put it in park. What are we doing? Put your car in park. Take your keys out. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
You can close the door, ma'am.
Okay.
Radio 3 Charles 83 put me on another theft at the same location.
I'm stolen. Oh, receipts.
Why are you leaving so fast?
I don't know. I was sitting there. You saying they're eating, did you?
Okay. Do you have, what are the items you bought?
I was up there eating.
Oh, you
I
were
was
eating?
sitting there out there eating.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Let me talk to the store staff
Okay,
first.
because I didn't see out here eating.
What?
So you were in here and then you were inside the store, ma'am?
Yeah, I thought I got left.
You thought what?
I thought I got left.
Got left?
Yeah, I thought they
You thought I left or something?
Oh. What did you buy in the
I
store?
was just going out there to look at the stuff in the front, and then I thought the car was gone, so I ran over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just...
Yeah, because the alarm went off right when you guys went out. So.
No, we didn't run together.
No.
Or when you went
Yeah,
out.
all I did was I was gonna go look at the stuff in front of the store, and I thought the car was gone. I left the front and I ran over here.
Okay, give me a sec. Radio 3 Charles 83, copy of plate.
Man, they lying. Yeah, you stole, man. They look like drug addicts and everything, man. Come on, man. This is ridiculous. Talking about, oh, I got receipts, man. Nobody don't want to hear that. Where's all the items at? You proved that. And then you got you saying that you was in the car and the other one went inside and you got receipts for things that you bought, but the lady that went inside is talking about she only went to go look at some things.
Can you call inside the store really quick and get out? You up? Can it go in park?
I don't know.
It should be able to.
It's
I
just
don't
that.
need to roll away.
I went through self-checkout and everything.
They didn't, but she left it before she left the store? She left it in there before she left the store? Oh, the cart, you have a cart lock up?
Yeah.
Listen, the only reason why I pushed outside was to look at the stuff outside the store, but I thought the car was gone. I thought she left me. So
No, I left her.
I ran...
Don't tell her eating. I paid for my
Was
stuff.
she with her?
She's the one we were watching earlier because she had a great big bag.
Oh, yeah, but I just bought my stuff. There's my receipt. Or what?
No, it locked up and then you ran out here.
I know, because I thought she left me here. I was gonna go get her food cart and yeah.
Do you have ID on you, ma'am?
I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna take your information down.
So non-emergency called for you.
Isn't it funny how criminals never have ID, right? Nobody ever carries ID all of a sudden. When they interact with police officers, now all of a sudden nobody has an ID.
That's cool.
Yeah, they go, my officer's in the parking lot. Can you go grab her? I said, okay, and then it hung up.
Oh,
I don't know, were you
those
calling me?
dispatch, because I asked them to.
And you see me buy my stuff,
I
right?
didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, we saw you bought a couple items.
That's all I bought. That's all you know.
I
That's
just
it.
told me her EBT card got filled. I need her EBT.
I thought it was the first.
Okay.
It was not the
I'll
first.
bring up her stuff.
Well, it didn't leave the door, so.
Oh, it went outside the door.
Oh,
Yeah,
it did?
I had
Where
to
is
unlock
it?
it. We brought it inside. She pushed it right out the door and the alarm went off. That's why
I
yeah,
was
you
gonna go look
said
at the stuff in front of
Okay.
the
she
store.
just ran out the door.
And she didn't buy any of
No.
those.
No, look, I was gonna look at the stuff in the front of the store.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I was looking at the stuff in the front of the store. I
You
thought
pushed
had
it right
plans.
outside the door.
I thought you had plans, and I thought she was outside. I needed the EBT card, and I thought she left me.
Okay, perfect.
I'll ring it up for you.
I didn't steal anything.
Okay, so for
I thought
you,
they
I
had
need to
plans out
get,
there.
I need to get your ID. So can I have you step out of your car really quick?
I don't have my ID on me.
Okay. You can just lean up against the car. That's fine. I'm just gonna get you
I just have the door
identified,
to the
right?
dog.
That's fine. What's your last name?
Blue Mel.
What's your first name?
Tony. T.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is all crazy. I thought there were plants outside, and I thought she left me. That's all I did.
Oh no. Guilty. Guilty. You don't know your first name? You don't know how to spell your name? Nah, you ain't got no ID and you don't know how to spell your name? Guilty. You're hiding something.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
And now we're late to get back to my kid.
Yeah, we are late to get back to
Okay.
the kid.
How old's your kid?
He's 6 years old.
Okay. So just relax, take a deep breath. We'll get it figured out. I just need to get you
Mom,
identified.
you don't understand. Dad can be a jerk. I gotta get back to my kid.
Okay.
Please.
So for now, I'm going to
I
tell
didn't do
you.
anything wrong.
For now, you're detained. So if you run from me, I'm going to catch you.
I'm not
And if you
trying to
give
run,
me
I'm
a
just
wrong, I know, no, you're being super cool with me right now. I'm just warning you. And then if you give me the wrong name, you're going to be charged with something else. That's why I tell everybody, okay? So what's your first name?
I'm not running. Sorry. I said, I told you, honey.
T-O-N-I?
No. T-A-N-I.
What's your middle initial? What's your date of birth?
August 5th, 2000. I'm not sorry, 1989. Yeah, I have to get back to my kid.
Is your ID out of Washington?
No.
Where's it out of?
I believe it's out of Oregon.
Oregon? So just give me 1 minute because we're on like several thefts right now. So
Okay.
they're taking your phone.
Thank you. It's gonna be so mad when we're late.
So before
Pretty far away, but I believe it might have been.
I talk to you at all, though, I want to read you your Miranda rights, okay? Do you understand each of these rights I've
Yes, I
explained to you?
do.
I have these rights in mind. Do you wish to talk to me now?
No, I just gotta get to my kid.
So you don't want to talk to me?
No.
Right? Okay. That's one.
It's gonna be so mad. You don't give your phone.
Radio 3 Charles 3. Is there another unit available? Head this way.
Am I getting arrested?
So for now, I'm just going to tell you you're being detained.
What? I didn't. I barely walked out of the store, and it was just because I thought you were supposed to bring me back her EMT
So,
card. I went through the
but you
line.
told me you don't want to talk to me, so I want to respect your rights.
Okay,
right?
seriously, but I just don't understand. I have to get back to my kid, or else he's not gonna let me take him.
Where's your kid right now?
He's with a family member.
Okay.
There's a big custody battle going on with him right now.
Oh, okay.
I heard the son's dad wants to go to California and he wants to take the kid.
I see.
And we stopped here and I said,
No, it's not my son's dad. It's not his dad. It's his mom.
well, his mom, his dad.
mom.
Or the
The
dad's...
dad's mom.
Oh, the dad's
dad's
mom.
mom.
So
His
grandma.
dad's mom wants to take him to California. Yes.
Okay.
It's a big deal.
Yeah.
It's a really big deal right now.
Okay.
And I thought today was the
Grandma
first.
wants to take the kid.
Yes,
basically.
I thought today was the first, and so when I went to the line to look at my balance for my EBT, I said I had to pay $2. So I was like, oh, today must not be the first. And so I walked out here, and I sat here on the curb, and I was eating, and she came running out. Oh my God, we gotta go, we're late. I thought you were gonna bring me back a car, and I was like,
Okay.
what's going on?
All right. So for now,
Yeah, but how you sitting there eating and you ain't got no money on your EBT? Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from? That's what we trying to figure out. If you ain't got no money on your EBT, you said you sitting there eating, and then you send her in there to go do whatever. Come on now.
I'm going to tell you that you're under arrest, so go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. Do you have a pair of cuffs, Fiddle?
Only one.
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah. I just used all my cuffs on the last stuff that I said.
It's crazy how that happens.
I know.
Am I gonna be arrested?
Yep, you are getting arrested for theft.
I
So
really
when you-
don't understand.
When you don't pay for merchandise,
I wasn't trying to
and
steal
you
it.
walk out of the
I really
store?
wasn't trying to steal it. I promise.
So, have you ever been to Nisqually jail before?
No, but listen, I wasn't trying to steal it. I promise you I wasn't. She just got her car just got killed. That's all. Please, ma'am, please,
So let me talk to
please, ma'am, please.
the
Listen,
staff, right?
listen, please.
Just relax.
I didn't steal nothing. I didn't put anything in my bag.
You
Nothing
don't
like
have
that.
anything on you?
No, but I didn't put anything in my bag or anything.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Do you have any drugs or anything I should know
No,
about?
no,
Okay. Nothing in your hat?
no,
Okay.
but
Go
ma'am,
ahead and have a seat.
ma'am,
Let me get you. We're gonna drive over by my partner, okay?
listen.
So watch your
I
legs.
didn't put anything.
What's that? Today
I
was
went
the
in there and I bought my stuff, and I told her she could use my EBT card because I thought today was the first. But it wasn't, so when I had to pay money, I knew it wasn't the first because I would have. So I came out here to eat, and because I didn't see her in the store. So I came out here and she came out to get the card or something. I guess she came out and she thought the car was gone because there was a big truck parked in front of me. And she thought I left her. And so she went flying out the store and left the car, and I guess she pushed it too far. I don't know. I was eating. I was out there eating.
No. That story ain't adding up. Nope. That story do not add up whatsoever.
Anything past the front door is theft, so.
I don't think she meant to steal it, though, really. She really didn't.
If you say she comes flying out the door, then.
Well, because she thought the car was gone. She came because she was coming to get my card. She really didn't mean to steal it.
Ma'am, please.
Let's just pull up here and then figure it out, okay?
Why am I getting arrested? I didn't put anything.
So you invoked your right to silence, right?
Listen, please
Can I talk to you, please? I didn't steal anything.
Yeah.
Please, can I talk to her, please?
Just
my son, please.
Give me 1 minute, okay?
Please,
And then
yeah.
I can. What do you want to tell her about your son?
I need to talk to her about my son, please.
Okay. Let me go talk to her first, and then I'll come talk to you, okay? Just give me 1 minute.
She really did think I had my EBT card.
Did you already run her?
I entered the car. I'm waiting on them to run her.
Oh, okay. You guys tried to take off really fast.
Well,
and I
because she
came
jumped,
running up.
because before we came here, she wanted to leave.
Yeah.
She didn't want to stop here at all. I said, look, I'm starving. Can we just stop here really quick?
So she got a cart full of items.
Yeah, well, she said that she was going to get some stuff for kid. I said, well, let me check. I go, but I should have money on my EBT card. Then when I went through the thing, I had to pay money, so I realized I didn't have enough money on my EBT card because it wasn't the first, and I thought today was the first for some reason. So I didn't see her in the store, so I came out here and I just had her in. I figured she'd come out to either get my EBT card or you know, because we had to go. And then she thought that I left her. She was, oh my God, she was almost in tears when she came out. She was like, I thought you left me. I thought you were going to get my EBT card. And I go, look, it's not the first. I go, I'm sorry.
I'll be good, thanks. Do you want to talk to her? She wants to ask you a question about her kid, if you want to talk to her.
But she really didn't mean that. I mean, she really was. I was supposed to give her my EBT card. That's all true.
Okay, the windows rolled down if you want.
I'm sorry.
So, ma'am, can I confirm your first name is spelled T-A-N-I?
Yes.
Okay.
What is your phone number? Listen, go. Okay, listen, you can
I can write it down in just a second. I'll write it down for you. So she fully left the doors with the cart, and you guys all saw her pass the point of sale.
Do I have to go to jail?
Yes.
I have to go to jail.
Yes, Miss Qualley.
Why?
For theft.
It was not.
So you walked out with a cart full of items.
I know, but I wasn't
without
stealing.
any intention of paying.
Yes, I did. I had a registered paying. She had the EBT card. Just thought it was
The
first.
second you walk out the doors with unpaid items, that's when it becomes a theft.
But I thought there was stuff in the front plants. We were supposed to get plants for her mom.
And then you ran off and ditched the cart and ran to the car.
And I freaked out because I knew that there was a cop here. I would never try to push it out if there's a cop here like that. I would not have done that. I thought there's plants here, and I freaked out because
That's
this was
fine.
bad.
You will have bail. It's Miss Qualley jail.
Yes, it's Squad jail. How much will her bail be?
It's 1,000, so you can call bail bondsman.
So $100.
So
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah, but they ain't even got EBT. They ain't even got money on the EBT. How you gonna get her out of bail, man? How you gonna get enough money for the bondsman, man? You ain't even got enough money from the state for the food. That EBT ain't hit. She gonna have to sit, man. That's where they get their money from. The state. It's the 30th. It ain't the first. You gonna sit.
How about them right now? And they could like beat you down there?
Listen.
And I could bail her out?
I guess so.
How you gonna bail her out? You ain't got enough food stamps to go to the Arab and exchange your food stamps for cash or nothing. Or are you trying to say that you have $200 to go bond her out, but you ain't got enough money to go pay for some food right now? You decided to wanted to steal it?
Do they have to meet? I don't think they meet you there, do
Well, I
they?
know, but I mean, I said beat you down there.
So, let me call my... So your last name is spelled B-L-E-M-E-L-L.
What did I just spell it?
How do you spell your last name?
That's it, Blue Mill.
Blue Mel? Because I have B-L-E-M...
B-L-E. Oh.
Is it blue? Like B-L-U-E?
Yes.
It doesn't, if you have warrants, whatever, it doesn't matter at this point, you're already going to jail. So we will find out your name. If you don't give me your name,
BLUEMEL.
Okay. So BLUEMEL.
That's another charge, giving a fake name.
Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. Tell her what you want from your car. While she's getting the stuff from the car, I'm gonna get your name from you, okay? So tell her what you want. I'm being extra nice right now and I shouldn't be.
I'm gonna call bail bondsman right now and get you out.
I can't get bailed out until I go to court.
No, you just said you could. I can bail you out tonight.
You can't? You get bailed tonight?
You'd have to ask the jail, but I'm pretty sure you can get bailed as soon as you can. But here's what's important. She needs to get your stuff, because we gotta go. So what do you need?
I can bail you out right now. Okay, right now, I'm gonna go do money. I'm gonna go get it right now.
Because if you don't need anything from the car, I will leave right now. So what do you need?
Yes. I will go down there right now and bail you out.
Okay. I guess I don't want to take to the car. You can do the wiggle. I'm gonna get Jen's phone and see that.
Yes, I will. I'm going straight there.
Okay.
Go get Kyle. Yeah.
And I have your phone number written down.
No, you keep it locked.
Of course I will.
Listen, we'll go home and get Jen's phone, please. Is that the number you gave me?
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Or you can tell them to answer it, please.
Okay. Okay, now you need to give me your name. It's
WNEE.
What's your middle initial? And is your ID out of Washington?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I please stop for one time?
She just left, but I have the phone number with you.
Yeah.
So, I don't know why you didn't tell me your name. You literally have a warrant out of, like, Sunnyside, which we won't confirm on.
You guys transfer?
No, they don't do that there. So there's no need for you to not give me your name. That's silly. When a cop asks you for your name, no matter what trouble you're in, just give it to him. Because then, if I was mean, I could charge you with obstruction, right?
I understand.
Right.
Charger. They gotta learn a lesson, man. They gotta learn a lesson. This is why a lot of civilians do whatever they want to do. Cops is too nice nowadays.
So, okay. Let me,
My kid's birthday. You don't transfer to Sunnyside?
no, I don't think they do. I highly, highly doubt they do.
Thank you for not charging me.
Yeah, just in the future, just tell them the truth. It doesn't matter if you have warrants, because they'll literally fingerprint you and find out anyways. So there's no point.
Do the computers in here tell you the same exact stuff the computers at the jails tell you?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they do. Since you invoked your rights to silence, I don't want to talk to you about it, because I don't want to, unless you want me to read Miranda and you want to talk to me about it, I will, but
Would it help me if I do?
it's totally up to you. I don't want to say that and then they think, you know what I mean? I don't want to influence your choice. You make your own choices. You're an adult. You can choose if you want to talk to me, or you can choose if you don't want to talk to me. It's totally up to you.
Is this quality let you call right away?
You what?
Is this quality let you call right away?
Yeah, I've heard they do.
The woman was charged with theft.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.